Good morning, everyone. Our project is Smart Sanitization System using IoT under the influence of Prabhakaran sir. Myself, Rohan, and we are of a total 4 members, Dinesh, Pranit, and Samir. Next. So I will be explaining you the abstract. A smart sanitizer is an automatic sanitizer system which has no physical contact. It is an alcohol-based hand sanitizer which can be used in schools, hospital, workplaces, offices, and many areas. This alcohol is basically a solvent, and not only a solvent, it is also a very good disinfectant, which is very much required in this current pandemic situation. As alcohol is volatile, so it will be vaporized instantly after application to hands. It is also proven and well known that above 70% of alcohol can kill coronavirus in hands. Next. So, Internet of Things. You might heard that Internet of Things are the devices which can communicate with other devices and work together, which will help us in our day-to-day life. Uh, IoT are the devices like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc. Internet things describe physical objects that are embedded with sensors, processing ability, software, and other technologies, and that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet or other communication networks. It makes connected cities safer, assist tracking more effective, healthcare more personalized, and energy consumption more efficient. Next. Introduction. I am introducing about our project. Hand hygiene is most essential part of human life today. In this current situation, we may be touching our hand many areas. So we need to be ourselves. We need to be safe, right? So we have to sanitize our hands regularly, very frequently. So we have made a device which is like 360 hand sanitization system. When you put the hand inside our system, what it does, it will sanitize the hand like all 360 around your hand. You don't need to rub your hands or don't need to do anything. You just have to put your hand inside that, and it will sanitize all whole hand from all the 360 degrees. Like this, you have to put like this. So the further it will be explained here from you will hear the voice from Samir.
Hi, myself Samir Khan. I'm going to explain about circuit diagram. The circuit diagram is in this order. I'm going to explain about each component. Arduino is an IoT device which is open source hardware and software embedded system. IR sensor is used to detect the hand when we put the hand in a sanitizer system. LCD will show the level of sanitizer in each container. Buzzer will alert the system when the IR sensor detects the hand. Level of sanitizer will identify the level of liquid in each container. Servo motor will help the liquid container to dispense the liquid. Wi-Fi module, it will send the app notification to show the level of liquid. Next. Components used: Arduino IDE, Arduino Uno, sanitizer, a relays, Wi-Fi module, LCD display, mist spray, sanitizer. This LCD 16 into 2 LCD module, Wi-Fi module, Arduino IDE, and this relay. From here, my friend Pranit will continue.
Hello everyone, I'm here to explain about the existing system of the sanitization which we are using now. We currently have two types of sanitizers. One is foot tap sanitizers, another is wall mount sanitizer. Foot tap sanitizers are often used in public places. They are operated using a pedal which fills the liquid in our hands, and we have to rub our hands after that. Wall mount sanitizers are they are on the wall that which are automatic which we can use the sanitization system. There are some next. there are some drawbacks of the existing system, which we can see there. Foot tap sanitizers cannot be used by the people with disabilities, or some people in wheelchairs, or some people who don't have legs, so they can't use that. Or we can't actually find the amount of sanitizer left in the dispenser. How much wall mount sanitizers also have a drawback that we are unable to find the amount of sanitizer left in the dispenser. So proposed system. In proposed system, we can see that we use the smart sanitizer using Arduino Uno. We prepare two bottles, two containers which store the sanitizer. We use an ESP32 module to connect the sanitizer, which through the Wi-Fi module, ESP32 is a Wi-Fi module which we'll use to connect to the Arduino. We'll attach an LCD screen through which we can display any messages which we want to. For additional technicalities, we can add a buzzer. We can add a buzzer which like to give sound. And when the liquid is empty, the container, liquid in the container is empty, or like to give any message, we can use the buzzer. Now we can use the IR sensor, like when the IR sensor activates, when we code the certain distance, like for example 5 centimeters, when an object is there in 5 centimeters, the sanitizer will turn on, like it will spray sanitizer. The sanitizer will keep on spraying until our hand, for example, our hand or any object is near the IR sensor. Until the amount of time our hand is there near the IR sensor, the spray will be coming out. We place LED at each device in order to check the functionality, whether it's on or off. Like we can check the functionality of the device. So the main advantage of this mist sprays, we don't need to rub our hands. It'll get moist and get dry in our skin. So these are the advantages of proposed system. Next, my friend Dinesh will continue.
Hello everyone. As my friend explained, we'll be using the IR sensor to control the spray of the sanitizer, and sanitizer keeps on spraying the mist until we place the object in the until we place the object in the spray area, and the LED of this device will be showing the amount of sanitizer present in the container. And now I'm gonna tell about the advantages of this model. The main advantage is nothing but the contactless. Main advantage is contactless sanitizer. So it prevents the spread of the virus from one person to other person. In this sanitizer, we can easily find the level, so that in case if there is if it gets emptied out, so we can fill the sanitizer. And connectivity, and it also sends the signals to the app if there is no person present in near the device, so we can fill the sanitizer liquids when they are emptied out. And now by the smartphone sanitizing system, we can fight these viruses, not only coronavirus and any other diseases. And contactless sanitizer has no limitations and can be used by anyone everywhere. Even people with disabilities can be using this sanitizer system. Sensors will act. In this sensors will preserve the sanitizer. They won't waste, and they will be only used whenever there is a object placed in the spray area. Thank you.